In this video, I want to have a look at adjacent angles. So two angles are adjacent if they share an arm and a vertex. So for example, in this first one here, we've got this angle here, and it has a vertex at this point right here. And then we've got a second angle that also has this arm going along here, has the same vertex, and then it comes out a different direction. So these two angles are adjacent. They wouldn't be adjacent if you had, for example, an angle going like this. Even if it shared the same arm, if it came off somewhere else, so that they had one vertex here and one vertex here, then those two angles aren't adjacent. So they have to share a vertex and an arm. All right, so let's have a look at how we can use that to find sides. So for example, in this first one, we're told that this first angle here is 93 degrees, and this part in here is 34 degrees. We're asked to find the value of x, and x is the whole angle, so it's the size of this whole big angle along here. So to find x, what we'd have to do is add the two of those together. So x would be 93 degrees plus 34 degrees, which would give us 127 degrees. Our second example is a little bit different. So we're told that this whole angle is 162, so that's all the way from this arm over to this one. We're also shown with this little symbol here that this angle here is a right angle, so that's 90 degrees in there. And we're asked to find m, which is just this part here. So because we're already given the whole angle, we know it's 162 and we already have 90, we want to figure out what's left over to make up that m. So in this one, our m, we'd have to go 162 degrees and subtract that 90 degrees, and that'll leave us with 72 degrees for m. So that's having a look at adjacent angles.